car on, I drive it. My display screen starts changing modes, changes my radio stations on its own. I try the seat heat, and that goes off and fluctuates. The whole display screen seems to be out of whack. The choices for media jumps from USB 1, USB 2, all kinds of wacky stuff.
Okay.
I was wondering if there was some way to... I tried to pull a fuse for the radio and put that back in, and I still got problems. Is there a way to reboot this system?
The only thing you could really do is you could try disconnecting the battery cables from the battery, and you could rub the cables together for 5 minutes and then reconnect them back up to the battery. That'll discharge all the capacitors inside all of the modules, including this display.
Right, okay, that sounds good.
So you could try that, and it might work.
Right.
The newer the vehicle, the more likely it is that the more common that we're seeing, electrical components and stuff like this happen. So to get rid of a lot of these quirks, you just need to do a battery disconnect procedure, which is starting to be very, very common. You could try that. If it doesn't work, that display unit A, it may need to be updated or programmed or reflashed with the latest calibration at the dealership, or it might just be bad.
Right. Okay, well, I'll try the battery. That's a good start. I never thought of that. I tried to call a dealership, and of course that's going to cost me. But yeah, let me get the battery thing and try.
Okay, that sounds good. Well, good luck, and let us know if anything comes up, okay?
Okay, I'll try it. Thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.